Should we get started?
I love cracking the eggs.
Well, we will have you crack the eggs for us today.
I want to crack the eggs too.
Oh, we've developed a few traditions here on Studio 5 over the years, and some of these traditions, oh my gosh, positively squeeze my heart as we look back. Is that baby Lucy? I can't even. Look at Boston. Oh my gosh, and that was 2 kids. That was half a kid pile ago. One my family looks forward to each year, speaking of those traditions, involves PJs and some sort of Christmas treat. We love sharing a little treat from our family to yours. And of course, the PJs are involved because, let's be honest, they're just fun and comfortable, and they kind of put us in Santa mode, which is the mode today. So in keeping with that tradition, let's invite out my favorite elves. Are you guys ready to come out and show some treats? Come on! Here they go. Oh, Emmy, what an entrance, my girlfriend. We've got Emmy, Boston, Lucy, Penny. Penny's walking out by herself for the first time. Come here, girlfriend. You guys, thanks for coming to Studio 5 today. How are we feeling about it?
Good, very well.
Very well. Okay, what we have here are 3 treats that we are practicing making for Santa. So kind of pretending it's Christmas Eve. Santa sometimes maybe gets bored of cookies, do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe. So this could be kind of to break up his cookie run, his cookie crawl of Christmas Eve 2022. You've each got a treat that you're working on. Go ahead and get busy. Emmy, will you teach us how to make your treat?
Yes.
Okay.
So you get this Oreo, yummy Oreo, and you dip it one side in, and you kind of let it drizzle kind of the frosting.
Okay.
And then you put the side that doesn't have the frosting on down, and
then
you
what?
get one of these.
Ooh, a mini Reese's.
And you dip the bigger side, wider side, in this yummy thing, and you stick it on
top.
And you just decorate it like with
M&Ms, which Penny's loving your decorations. Thanks for sharing. So they're a little ornament, right? I love it. Boston, what do you got going, man? What's your treat?
We get a candy cane and we dip it in.
Stick it in what? Oh, a marshmallow?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we get it in this.
Okay. And that's chocolate, not glue, right? Right, okay. And then what?
Then we dip it in this.
Oh, so you've made a little hot chocolate dipper. I love it. Lucy, what are you working on, girlfriend?
We get one pencil.
Okay.
We dump it in the chocolate.
Dump it, my kind of girl. Dump it in the chocolate.
And we wiggle it.
Yeah,
Then
wiggle.
we put it in and we get some glitter.
You guys, some glitter. Some glitter after dumping it in the chocolate. I like your style, Lucy Goose. Santa is going to love these treats. What do we hope Santa leaves us in return? What do you want for Christmas, Miss Emmy?
Definitely presents.
Well, yeah, I mean, I hope presents, definitely. I've learned not to ask this question in public because sometimes it changes a little close to time. Boston, what do you want for Christmas?
Oh, a Hatchimal and a go-kart.
Good, a Hatchimal and a go-kart, but the go-kart can only go how many miles an hour?
8.
8 miles an hour. Lucy, what do you want for Christmas?
A Hatchimal.
A Hatchimal. I think Emmy convinced us all. And Penny, what do you want for
With
Christmas?
a pool.
With a pool?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I don't know if Santa brings pools. All right, Merry Christmas. You guys, great job. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We'll be right back. What?